With the Cooper B-Line cable ladder system, you could reduce the number of structural steel supports by as much as 66% in your project, yielding significant time and material savings. Through our engineering expertise, unique product features, and extensive laboratory testing, we build products that help reduce engineering complexity and lower procurement and installation cost, all while meeting or exceeding global industry standards. The Cooper B-Line cable ladder system attributes its performance to 5 key features: the I-beam-based side rail design, application-specific materials such as galvanized steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, splice plate design, application-specific specialty splices, and fitting designs. The first attribute is the unique I-beam rail design of Cooper B-Line cable ladder, which maximizes stiffness, offers positive support for the rungs, and enhances clamping options. Second, Cooper B-Line's cable ladder systems are available in a broad selection of materials, including hot-dip galvanized steel, 316 stainless steel, and marine-grade copper-free aluminum. This maximizes the options for proper selection of materials to meet your application's design criteria. Third, Cooper B-Line splice plates are designed to enhance the structural integrity of the system. Our aluminum wedge lock splice plate easily snaps into place, allowing the load to be transferred from one side rail to the next without relying on hardware. With a unique hole pattern, our steel splice plates maximize rail to splice engagement. Fourth, Cooper B-Line's patent-pending heavy-duty expansion splice allows for load transfer while also allowing the product to account for thermal expansion and contraction. The fifth attribute is the fitting designs for the Cooper B-Line cable ladder, featuring industry-leading 75 to 100 millimeter tangents that are specially engineered to help maximize the strength and carrying capacity of the complete system. Bearing in mind these 5 key attributes, Cooper B-Line can help you reduce structural steel supports for virtually any metallic cable ladder system while continuing to meet or exceed industry standards. To help explain how this works, let's take a closer look at some key installation methods, starting with straight sections. Through the use of I-beam side rails, application-specific materials, and splicing technology, Cooper B-Line cable ladder straight sections may reach from 3 to 6 meters or up to 12 meters with aluminum, which helps reduce support requirements. When designing for thermal expansion and contraction, our heavy-duty expansion splice plate is engineered to carry the system load, thus helping reduce the need for additional supports at the expansion splice as recommended by NEMA VE2. For horizontal bends, if a ladder support is placed within 600 millimeters of each splice point, a fitting support is not required. If a support is dedicated to the fitting, then the allowable range for a ladder support near the splices increases from 600 millimeters to 3 meters. For horizontal crosses and horizontal tees, supports for the fittings, normally 3 to 4, are not required if a support is placed within 600 millimeters of each splice point. Also, if supports are dedicated to the fitting, the Cooper B-Line cable ladder system only requires 2 supports for the fitting, and the allowable range for ladder supports near the splices increases from 600 millimeters to 3 meters. For vertical bends, the Cooper B-Line system requires the use of only 1 support per fitting rather than the 2 recommended by NEMA. This single support can be placed at any point along the fitting. With the 5 key attributes of Cooper B-Line's cable ladder system, you can start reducing the number of structural steel supports needed for your cable ladder system without compromising load-carrying performance. So, consider Cooper B-Line cable ladder systems for your next project to help reduce engineering complexity and start saving on procurement and installation costs. To learn more or to schedule a technical training presentation with your electrical and structural engineering teams, visit www.cooperbeeline.com/oil-gas.